Hey guys, Uncle Pip here, and welcome to the August and final farm vlog video. My son's walking around behind me somewhere, so you might hear footsteps. It's not a ghost. We got a lot to cover this month, so I'm just gonna dive into it and say, first off, I got a new tractor. It's a Ford N-Series tractor. I'm gonna do a bunch more research into it, and I'll come back to you with more of the technical details. But you might see me taking it off the trailer right now. I'm filming this part of it. I'm filming this part of the video on August 31st. And my goal is to have this video released tonight, so it'll still be technically the August farm vlog video. The whole month has just been crazy busy. So I kind of want to start from the beginning, and we'll end at the end. First thing, good friend of mine decided he wanted to buy a Jeep, World War II Jeep, and he called me, and together we went up and looked at it. There's some video footage here. We went and looked at it, he liked it, they settled on a price, and he bought it. So part of my month, I was traveling around looking at that Jeep, and then I picked it up for him, and I actually delivered it to him, and that was awesome. I'm so happy for him. And I hope he watches this video. And so that took a little time. And then there was a World War II weekend in Frederick, Maryland, called the Rose Hill Manor World War II weekend. The yellow Jeep went out there, and I also took my friend's green Jeep, so I took both Jeeps up. That was a fun time. I did not spend a lot of time at that event, but there should be some footage on there somewhere. And also, there should be pictures as well. Why do you ask? Is there pictures showing up on my video? And that's because a lot of this stuff, it was spur of the moment, real fast happening. I didn't have time to grab the camera, didn't think of the camera, so that's why. After all of those two things happened, I went and I finally got rid of the Farmall A. And if you're familiar with one of the older videos from my channel, at least a year ago or so, I think it was April of 22, April 22, I think that's when it was. We went out and picked up a Farmall A. Motor was locked up, but it had a belly mower on it, and I wanted the belly mower, and I disassembled that entire tractor and harvested all the good parts off of it, and finally figured out how to get it to the scrapyard for the parts that were not salvageable. The reason I say that's because I spent an entire week this month trying to scrap that tractor. The first thing I did was I bought an engine hoist. I picked it up with it. It's a 2-ton engine hoist, and it's a 1-ton tractor. That math is pretty solid until the engine hoist snapped in half. So my good friend came over, helped me weld, he welded the plate onto the engine hoist, and then I went back and I monkeyed on it some, and I ended up using a 3-ton floor jack to pick it up some, put some engine stands underneath it, and then picked it up a little bit more with the 3-ton floor jack and just played with it. I walked it up, and then I used a come along to pull it onto the trailer. It took me literally a week to do all this. So I'm going to show you that engine hoist real quick, because that was some great ingenuity with welding that plate on. Thanks again to my friend for helping me weld it on. It was awesome. Here it is inside the shed here. But just look at this. That's what we did. Now that little plate, you'll see some yellow here. You saw the yellow on that plate? That's because it came off the Jeep. That's right. The yellow Jeep had the ball in the front, had 2 plates holding that on. I took that off. Anyway, there was a trailer hitch attached to the yellow Jeep, and I took it off. So that also happened this week. And now all that got done. And then my friend said, hey, how about you buy this Ford tractor? It'll match your Ford Jeep. And I said, you are right. So that's why I bought it. There. Now, let's do a little housekeeping with the channel. I named this video the final farm vlog video for a reason. That's because I've gotten to the point where it's hard for me to differentiate between a Jeep video and a farm video. I do a lot more stuff with my Jeep than I do with my farm. I play with my tractors more than I utilize my tractors. You remember the chickens I had this spring did not work out so well. I think I'm going to rename it this monthly series. It's just going to be the Uncle Pip's Big Plans vlog. Leave comments below and tell me what you think I should name my monthly vlog series. I don't want to call it the farm vlog video because I feel like it's misleading. It's not a lot about the farm, it's just about my life. So maybe life vlog video just sounds weird, I don't know. You tell me what to call it. I'm still gonna do all the stuff I've been doing. However, there has been an update in my personal life. Off the farm, I also have 2 jobs. My wife also has a real job, and some things are kind of changing within my jobs, which are going to take away the amount of time I have on the farm, and I'm okay with that because I feel that they will compensate me accordingly. That look was for my boss. I hope you're watching. So it's not fair to call it a farm vlog video if it's not 100% farming, in my opinion. Maybe you guys disagree. Maybe I should keep calling it the farm vlog video. Maybe I should put this video out before the end of the month. That's 100% my fault. I'll take credit for that. So that's my rant for the day. Ooh! Woo! Big news here. Big news. I saw that my channel has finally hit 100 subscribers. That's pretty big. So thank you guys. Thanks everybody for watching my videos and sharing them, whatever it is you do with them. I do appreciate it. The purpose of my channel at the very beginning has always been to share my life with those that I love who cannot be close to me physically. And I'm just happy I got a bunch of people that are interested in my life, so that's pretty cool. That's about all I got. I'm also still looking at putting a new rim on the John Deere 2010. Eventually, I'm thinking of selling that tractor though, and I might start scaling down some of the stuff I have. You'll notice the last 2 years I have not videoed me doing anything with my hay equipment. It's because I haven't made any hay, and there's a lot of reasons for that. Mainly, the John Deere 2010 was not running for a while, and that was my main hay tractor. So, yeah. Now it's broke again. It's funny to me how my red tractor is a Farmall BN. My working green tractor is a Ford N Series. The only tractor I own that does not run is a John Deere. think that's gonna be about it. That's gonna wrap up this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I just felt like doing this with my hands. As always, I enjoyed making this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Hopefully the next video will be out soon. I'll see you next time.